Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to preview video effects before applying them or saving them to your user's device in native Android application. Now you might be confused about what exactly this means. So I have two buttons. One is called pick video, second is called apply. Now I have made a lot of videos previously on how to apply different kind of video effects to a video in native Android application. So this is just an extension of that. So suppose if I click on pick video, this opens my video picker. Alright, now I will just pick any one of this video. Okay, and immediately you can see that this video effect has been applied. I'll just lower down the audio because it is little bit disturbing. Okay, so here you can see like various, this is not the original video. Okay, so here you can see hello text has been applied, then the video has been rotated, then some filter has been applied to this video, and I didn't even apply this video effects. Like even before applying, I can preview this video effects, and then if I click on this apply button, what it does is that whatever effects I'm trying to apply to this particular video, it will apply to this original video, save that file to our external storage, get the URI of the file saved to external storage, and then start playing the saved video. Okay, and if I also show you my logcat, I'm not sure. Okay, here you can see it is also displaying the progress, so it's almost done. So here you can see this is the transformed video. Like I'm not sure what this white color thing is. I think maybe the hello text was not getting displayed properly, because the reason is that I am applying multiple effects simultaneously. That could be one of the reasons. So better be careful on what you are trying to apply. So yeah, let's get started on how to do this. So yeah, this would be very similar to one of the videos I have created previously, like one of the many videos of video editing for native Android application. So if you see, I have created a native Android application, and here like I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. And then firstly inside Android manifest I have added this internet permission, then I have added this read write external storage permission as well as manage external storage permission, because read write is necessary for older Android versions, and manage external storage permission is necessary for newer Android version if you want to get access to all the videos. Okay, so as well as save the video. So that's why like I wanted to get access to all the videos. Even without this, like I think there is just we have a register for activity result for picking selected images. We have the same thing for videos as well. So in some case you might even not require this permission, but use this permission carefully. There, like this has nothing to do with the video editing or previewing the filter effects which I have applied to the video. Okay, this is just for selecting the video, but probably you should not use this. Like you can just use a normal select like register for activity result, but yeah, your choice. Then if you see read write, you might require it, because write I think you will definitely require it if you are using older versions, but yeah. Next, inside build.gradle.kts I have added few library. One is for ExoPlayer as well as ExoPlayer UI, and this transformer effect and common are for applying any kind of transformation, and these are referenced inside our libs.versions.toml. So here you can see I have added this Media3 ExoPlayer dependency, and here are all the file been referenced. Then you can just click on sync now, and it will download all the dependency for you. The next thing is inside activity_main. If I go to my split view, here I have one button for picking video. Okay, then I have one player view for playing the video with the preview effects. Okay, then I have second player view for playing the video which is saved to external storage. All right, and there is one more button for applying the transformation, and one progress bar. Okay, and next if you go to main activity, firstly these are all the imports. So if you want you can just copy paste all these imports. Next, here I have used this @unstable API annotation, because at the time of me recording Media3 player is still bit unstable, but I think by the time you watch it, it should become stable. Then this transformer.listener, this is useful when we click on the apply button. So here you can see we have created two input players, one input player as well as output player, then an input player view, then an output player view as well, and one progress bar. Then I have created one file name. This is only useful when you click on the apply button. Okay, then the playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here we are creating our transformer. Again, this transformer is necessary only when once we click on the apply button. For previewing video effects, this is not necessary. Then I have created one handler and progress holder. Again, this is useful only when we click on apply button. Here we are requesting for the permission. This is our video URL. So once the user picks a video, here you can see that I am assigning it to our video URL. So as you can see, I am using register for activity result. So like I really like don't need this particular permission, manage external storage permission. Am I using it anywhere? Okay, let me just check. Yeah, I think I am using it. Okay, but anyways, just you just need to get an video URI. Okay, that's the main part. You can do it however you feel like. So here you can see this is how I am doing it, and once I get the video URI, I am just initializing it to our input player and resuming our input player. We'll come back to this initialization later on. And then here we are launching our new video picker. So this is how the video picker would be launched. Then here I am requesting for permission launcher. So if the permission is not given, then I'm just displaying a toast message. Otherwise we are launching our new video picker. Okay, and here is the the new way. Once I get the permission, then only manage external storage permission, then only I call launch new video picker. Okay, and here inside this we are just again helper methods which will help us to redirect to the settings app. So if you are clicking on the pick video button for the very first time, then this will take you to the settings app where you will have to toggle that particular checkbox for your own app. And below Android R we are just launching this. So here you can see this is an helper method which I have created, and here I have created one array list of effect. And if you see, these are all the effects which I have applied simultaneously. You shouldn't apply this simultaneously, but I just wanted to show it to you. You can use whatever you feel like. So here is scale and rotate, transform. I have already created videos for all of this. So if you want in detail explanation of each and everything, you can watch my previous videos on video editing for native Android application. So here if you want to change the create height, aspect ratio, width, here if you want to apply this filter, then there is this RGB filter. I am just applying the HSL filter. Then you can change the contrast as well. Then here we were overlaying hello text, but I have in my previous videos I have also made videos about how to overlay images or bitmaps. So those all kind of things. Okay, and here you can see again I am applying an inverted filter as well. Then this is for the sepia matrix, which I am not really sure what it does, but so you can apply whatever effects you feel like. Then we are creating our progress bar, input player view as well as output player view, and then on click of this button we are just calling setup transformer. So here as you can see, once this set on click listener is called for pick video, we are first checking whether we have permission or not. If yes, then launch the new video picker. If not, request for permission. And here you can see inside initializing input player, this everything is fine. Like we are creating our ExoPlayer, play when ready is true, assigning our input player to player view, then creating our media item, setting our media item. So here is the important part. This will help us to preview the effects for our first input player video player, even before applying those effects. Like it automatically, this particular line automatically applies this effect. So you can just do set video effects equal to effect. And here I am setting our playback position, play when ready is okay. I have assigned it twice, I don't know why. I can just remove this, and here I am just preparing it. Then here we are initializing our output player. So I am creating our output player, play when ready is true again, and here we are creating our player. Then the file path we will get it from external storage once the file has been saved. And here we are creating our media item and calling prepare. In case if the video is already been played, we are releasing our player. So this is how we release it. On stop we are calling release player, and on pause we are pausing our video. On destroy again we are releasing our player. So here we are setting up our transformer. So if the output player is already playing some video, we just stop it and assign a new one. So here you can see we have this transform video. So once the user clicks on this button, apply button, this method gets called. We first show progress bar, we initialize transformer, then we create our input media item, then we create our edited media item and set the effects for it. So here I am passing the same effects which I had set above. Alright, then we create an external file, start our transformation. Here I am tracking the progress state, so I'm just, for now I'm just logging it to the console, but if you want you can show some kind of a progress bar UI, whether how much progress has been already done for that transformation, so that the user also knows how much is done in case if it is a very long video. And I have added a delay of 500 milliseconds, which I feel is fine. So sometimes if you have a very short video, the progress might not go up to 100 because of this 500 milliseconds delay. Okay, so be careful with that, but the progress state would again go back to 0. So if you want to see the progress state, this is the variable. So even if the progress doesn't go to 0, the progress state will be 0. If the progress doesn't go to 100, the progress state will be 0. That's how you can track whether like the applying of filter was successful or not, or effects was successful or not. And here we are creating our external file. Here I have created one method called add video to gallery. Now this only works on API 29 and above. This is how I am saving file to external storage. Like saving file to external storage on below API 29 is little how would I say, like it's very confusing. That's why I didn't really do it. But if you want to, so this actually saves the video to the DCIM folder, as you can see over here. But if you want to do it for below API 29 as well, you can watch my video on how to save file to downloads directory. That will save the file to downloads directory for API 29 and below API 29. But above API 29, I think this will work perfectly fine. So this is the code for it. You can just copy paste it. Even I have copy pasted from Stack Overflow. So if you remember at the very top, we were in extending or implementing the transformer listener, so we have to override these two methods. So on completed, we are displaying our output player. Here we are initializing it and adding a file to our lifecycle scope, saving file to external storage, displaying the toast message. And here we are hiding our progress bar, and on error we are hiding output player as well as progress bar and just displaying the toast message. So yeah, that's it. I think yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.